Beautiful people, welcome to another video. If you're new here, hi, please subscribe already, and if it's not your first time here, please, thank you. I can't do my intro today.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is June. Kindly subscribe, and if you're returning for the 50th million 100th time, please receive my love, receive my appreciation. And
so today is on Wednesday. I just got back, went to Anhang. There's a fly that brings wahala in every video, and don't think guys that I have flies all the time. I have to keep my door open, and the other side is where I keep the trash. So when I keep the trash open during the day, the fly come, and then nikirudi kwa nyumba nifungue mlango zinaingia kwa nyumba. Do you understand me? I want to kill it now, but let's just give it a little bit of life. I'm going to take care of it after this. So today I was on Instagram and I came across this post, and I shared it actually on my page. So if you don't follow me on my Instagram, kindly go follow me. It's June Kirwa on all my social media platform. So I shared this post, and it's about growth, and I want to share it with you because I just wrote whatever I wrote on it. On my diary entry, and so I want to read it for you. And it was really profound. I will put it on the screen somewhere, but let me read what I got from it, or what I wrote on next to the post. The past 2 years have been my transition years. I have had to pivot, recondition, rewind, and repent. The biggest lesson I have learned so far is that all the answers are within me, inside of me. The moment I started looking at myself with more honest and compassionate eyes, life started making sense to me, which is really true. And you won't beat yourself up so much, especially if you struggle with anxiety and being overcritical with yourself. Being compassionate to yourself really helps, looking at yourself in a different angle and just re-examining and looking at things and just say, you know what, we are not doing so great today, but at least we are going to do better tomorrow. Do you understand? Like, just being honest with yourself. I'm not saying that now start lying to yourself, but just accepting your part in some things and being like, you know what, this is where we are today, but this is where I want to be tomorrow.
the fly is coming back, but don't mind it.
It's hard and heartbreaking, but it's the best journey to be on. It won't be easy. And you know, this post affirmed my feelings the past 2 years, because when you're going through it, you really don't know you're going through it. And then when I read this post, I'm like, you put my thoughts, you put my life into words. And I was really appreciative of it. You can go check it out. You can go look at it. It's about just accepting change and trying to rebuild and pivoting and just changing your mind. And when I say repent, I'm not saying repent in the sense that you're on the floor crying and you have ash on your face. No, repent means changing your mind. You understand? Repenting means changing your mind and saying that, you know what, maybe it's not a good idea to be thinking like that, or maybe what I think about a certain thing is not exactly right. So when I say repent, I mean the changing of my mind, the renewal of the way I think, the rewinding of my thought process, and rethinking how I do things. You understand? Yeah, so that's what I wanted to share with you. And you know what, I don't write on my diary every day, but when I feel something in my heart, I write it. But the best diary entry for me is me doing these videos, because I get to capture these moments. You understand? But really and truly, you really have control of your own life. That's why I'm saying all the answers are within you. Yeah, I'm going across the street to get manure from my plants. There is one plant which Nina feel like it's starving, or it doesn't have enough nutrients, so I want to get manure for it. And then just manure all my plants. You understand? Yes. So I'm going to do that, and then after I do that, I'm going to work out, but I won't show you the workout part because it's not pretty, it's not cute. So I'm going to get the manure, come manure my plants, and then work out, and then we are going to pick up from there. Thank you for joining me and all my Premier gang. Hey! If you're in the Premier gang, thank you for joining me. If you're in the Premier gang. Two minutes later, I have my manure here. I have my beautiful manure here. This is a chicken poop manure. It's too bad that I don't have gardening tools, so I have to touch this with my own hands, but I've done this all my life. Me, I'm a Kienyeji Pro Max, so I just use my own hands, but I don't trust chicken manure. Do you know chicken manure is very strong? It's going to destroy my plants, so I'm going to put one handful in the corners of the pot, and then water it, and then give it time to eat that manure first. I'm not over manuring it. Chicken manure is really strong. It will burn your plants. So the other thing, someone was asking me, how do you keep your plants alive? Don't overwater your plants. My sister has a snake plant and a fern, and she waters those plants maybe even once in 3 weeks, because it's in a pot, it's shaded, maybe it's inside the house, the water is not evaporating haraka, and you're watering it every week religiously without even looking if the pot is dry. You have to check if the pot is dry. I just watered this one today, so it's wet, but I'm just going to, the good thing is my pots ziko na drainage hapo chini, so I'm going to just put the manure and let it drain, and then I leave them outside tomorrow so that they can get some sunlight. But chicken manure, now my house will be smelling like manure, but it's not smelly. Imeiva. You have to leave it. Don't take poop and put it directly on your plants. It will burn your plants. So
let's do this. Me and chicken manure.
do you see now what I mean? I watered the plants completely, but they are now draining the water. Are you seeing? This is water. The water is draining through, so you have to let your plants drain the water. Don't let it sit on the water you watered with. And then there is my succulents. I manured them, but I did not water them, so I'll let them stay in the sun tomorrow, the whole day tomorrow, and then I'll water them tomorrow. And I'll put like a tiny bit of water, like I'll not overwater it at all. because succulents, you know, they can live without water. So if they sit in the water, they just rot. The roots will rot inside the pot. So yeah, we are done with that. So let's go work out. And my side spider plant is starting to flower. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? It's starting to flower. Guys, I'm back. I removed the face mask. I removed it because it was getting on the way. It was getting in the way of me enjoying my cake. Did you see what I baked this cake for 1 minute? 1 minute 30 seconds. What? And it was so good. Where is it now? Are you seeing it? Is it there? Can you find it? Because it's in my tummy. So I had the cake. The cake was so good. It was so good. And I think the fact that I added, this was my thing. This was just a thing that I decided to add last minute. Peanuts. It made it so beautiful. It made it pop and look so nice. So there are so many cake in a mug recipes online. I saw it online, and that's why I did it. So enough about my beautiful yummy cake. And I finished with my plants. I worked out, and then after that, of course, because I was so sweaty, I took a really nice shower. And then what did I do? And then I made the cake. And then I did skincare and a mask on my face. It feels so nice to put on a mask, you know. And I already removed it and moisturized my face, and we are ready for bed. Oh, and I changed my bed sheet. This day cannot get any better. I'm having cake for dinner, and I'm sleeping on clean, fresh beddings. Tell me your day is better than this. Tell me. No, mine is the best. So I finished doing that, and I ate my cake. This is what I had for dinner. I don't think I'll eat anything else again because I had this with tea. I'll probably eat a fruit if I feel hungry, but I have food in the fridge, so nikisikia njaa nitakula. But for now, this is my dinner, and then I'll probably snack on fruits if I feel hungry, which I really doubt. Right now it's 9 something, probably almost 9:30, and tomorrow is another work day. Tomorrow is on Thursday, so I have to go to bed earlier. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed your day. I hope you had a beautiful day. To everyone who comments on my videos, to everyone who likes my videos, thank you so much. Liking my video or commenting on my video really helps YouTube to recommend my videos more. So thank you so much for getting out of your way to do such a beautiful thing. And if you're watching to this point and you've not subscribed, are you in partnership with Satan? Are you in partnership with the devil? Can you just subscribe? I'll be really appreciative of that if you subscribe. And I really appreciate you for watching. I really appreciate you for spending the evening with me. This is such a beautiful day, don't you think? This is such a beautiful day. The simplest things are the most satisfying things. I'll see you on the next one. I love you guys so very much. And this is Vlogtober, probably Vlogtober number 2, right? We are here. Yani, nitawapeleka mtaratara. I will be taking you by mtaratara. Don't play with me. So get ready, buckle up, drink some water, stay healthy, and brace yourself, for I am coming for the crown of the content creator of the year. Yes.
Bye! I love you guys so much. Nikiendelea kuongea forever, so goodbye.